Hi guys, today I'm unboxing this delivery I just got from Nykaa. So as a lot of you know, Nykaa has recently launched The Ordinary in India. I think just about a month ago, in fact. I did of course see their advertisements and I realized that they were now selling The Ordinary products, which is really great because for so long we haven't had the opportunity here in India to buy original The Ordinary products without necessarily paying a really high, custom fee. So that's great. Let's see what we have here. I'm just gonna cut this up. And of course, a lot of you probably know that we also have another brand here that's made in India, that's Minimalist. I have used their products, and of course, their lineup is different. It's not exactly the same. It's not exactly the same as what The Ordinary has, and this product that I have today isn't really something that a minimalist sells, so that's going to be interesting. I've actually wanted this product for quite some time now, and of course there are other alternatives. You have, for example, other serums you can buy, like from Amazon, but this one is a toner, and that's much better because there's no like cream or gel or any additives. That's kind of the point of the whole brand. So here we go. You can see it's packed really well. Got this thing here. That's The Ordinary. This is the 7% glycolic acid toner. And this isn't my first glycolic acid product. I have actually used it, so I know it works for me. And here we go. Looks kind of boxed up, but that's not too bad. And it's manufactured about, let's say, 7 months ago, 8 months ago. So it's not super fresh, but you can see country of origin. That's Canada. It's manufactured October and was imported just about 3 months ago. So, well, that's not too bad. Let's see what it's like on the inside. So I've got this thing here. That's interesting. And here we go. A lot of people have complained that it's yellow and it's not white, but product formulations change all the time. Every company does it, so that's really nothing to be, scared of. And as far as I know, it's pretty original. It's got a good pH as well. Of course, you open it from here and then you put this thing on here, so you can easily just, put that on your makeup pad and you can just swipe it on your skin. But you shouldn't use this every day, just maybe twice a week, maybe once a week, but not really more than that, if you're using it on your face, of course. That's all for today. See you in the next video.